Telegram channel, and what I want is that every time I post something new on my social media platform, a notification should be sent on this Telegram channel for the same. Alright, so for that I've already created this automation, and first I'm just going to show you how this automation is going to work. So for that I'm just going to post something on my Facebook like this and click on this post button. Now you can see that I have successfully posted this post on my Facebook. Now what is going to happen is an automated message will be sent on this Telegram channel. Yes, you can see within seconds this message is over here which says just dropped. This is the caption and this is the link to view the post further. So yes, this is the amazing automation which we're going to create in today's video, which can increase the engagement on your post. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can share up to 100 of post alerts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, over here are the plans of Pabbly Connect, and if you want to purchase this, just click on this buy now. You have to enter your details, enter the card details, but over here I have a special discount coupon code for you, using which you can get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, you just have to click on this have a coupon link and enter the coupon, which is RITYT. It is also attached right over here. Just click on this apply and it is saying coupon applied successfully. So using this coupon, you can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So go and try Pabbly Connect first. If you think that it is very helpful for you, then you can use this coupon to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for the social media platform for which we want to create this amazing automation. So I'm just going to use Facebook in this video. So I'm just going to search for Facebook and select Facebook pages. For the event, you have to select it as new post and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Now what you have to do is, first of all, if you have not logged in your Facebook account, make sure that you log in it first. Otherwise, you'll not be able to get this option to click on this continue. Once you log in your Facebook account, just click on this continue and your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? After creating this connection, you just have to select the page for which you want to create this automation for. So I'm just going to select the page which is this digital dynamics. Keep the response format as simple and click on this save and send test request. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response, and in order to capture this response, open your Facebook and just post something on your Facebook. So let's say I'm just going to post this, and for that, first of all, let's reload this page. I'm going to create a new post. So for that, I'm just going to switch to this page and now I am going to create the post. I'm going to enter what's on my mind, click on this next, and I'm going to post this on my Facebook. Now you can see that we have successfully posted this on our Facebook. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response for this new post which we have posted just now. And now you can see that we have successfully received this response, and over here is the same caption too. But we also need the post URL and we haven't received it right over here. So to do this, just close and click on this add new action step. For the action application, once again search for Facebook pages and select it. For the event this time, you have to select it as get page post details, and I'm just going to search for the same get page post details and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect, which we have recently connected, so click on the select existing connection and then save. Now select the page ID once again. As you can see that this is the same page. Now as you can see over here, it is going to ask me for the post ID. So it is saying to select the post like this, but if we select it like this automation will be created only for a single post. But I don't want to create this automation only for a single post. What I want is, I want that whenever I post on my Facebook, automatically this automation should run. So for that we have to map this post ID. And what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do is, we have to switch on this mapping button and erase this post ID which is already written, put a slash and then search for the ID now. Now this is the post ID which we have to map right over here. Once again I'll just show you, put a slash, search for the post ID and map this post ID like this. After mapping this post ID, click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, all the post details are over here. Be it the permalink, which is the URL of this post, be it the access token and rest of the details. Now let's move on further and share it on Telegram. For that you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Telegram bot over here. So once again I'm just going to search for Telegram bot. As you can see, I'm going to select this as the action. For the event, select send a text message or reply and click on this connect. Now if you haven't connected Telegram bot, click on this add new connection. It is going to ask you for the token. Alright, so now what you have to do is, you have to open your Telegram, search for bot father and open. Now click on the start button. It is going to send you a message. So select this /new bot. We have to first of all create this bot. Okay, so first of all we have to enter the name of this bot. So I'm going to enter the name of this bot as new post and I'm going to send this. So this is the name of the bot. It is saying okay, now choose a username for your bot. So I'm going to keep the bot username as pab new underscore post. But it is important that when you enter the username of the bot, it should end with underscore bot only. So I'm just going to enter underscore bot at the end and send this username. So now the bot is created. Just copy the bot token and paste it right over here. Now click on the save and your Telegram will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what is going to happen is, it is going to ask you for the chat ID. So first of all, go back towards your Telegram and open the chat in which you want to send this messages. Now go on the subscribers and over here you have to add an admin in this chat. For that, go towards this subscribers and as you can see, we have to add an admin in this chat. So this is the channel. So for that, I'm going to go towards this admin and over here I'm going to click on this add new admin button. Now I'm just going to enter the same username using which we created the bot. Select the bot and click on this tick and give bot all the permissions and promote this bot to an admin. Now we have successfully added this bot as an admin in this chat. Alright, now what we have to do is, we have to get the chat ID. So we can get the chat ID from the URL over here. You just have to copy the URL after this hashtag which is from this hyphen and paste it as the chat ID. But over here is a thing that you have to copy this from A version. But if you're on the K version, this will not happen. You have to go towards this menu, more, and make sure that it is A version over here. If not, go towards this more and like it is written switch to K version, the option will be of switch to A version. So make sure you're on the A version only. Now copy and paste the chat ID. For the text message, I'm just going to use the same text message right over here, and in this text message what is going to happen is, I'm just going to change the caption and the URL. Alright, so I'm just going to first of all enter this text message right over here, and in this first of all I'm going to map the caption. So I'm going to put a slash and then map the caption right over here, which was this. Now I'm going to once again put a slash, map the link which is the permalink URL. After mapping this, the message is completed. It is asking me for many another details. You have to keep the details according to your own choice and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this message on our Telegram Telegram. So let's open our Telegram, and over here's the message. Just drop. We focus on data-driven digital marketing strategies. So what is this? This was the caption. Over here's the URL, and further from here we can directly view this post like this. And yes, this can increase the engagement on my post. So go and try this amazing automation for yourself, because I have created this using Facebook. You can also create this using any another social media platform too. And also we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, so you can create this automation for free today. So go and try this amazing automation. If you have any doubts, or if you want a dedicated video for some another social media platform, you can request that in the comment section below. For a reference, I'm just going to attach the workflow URL so that you can use my message too for yourself. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.